this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is obviously a layout for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. I am using the birthday cut file. It looks like balloons, and I made them small enough but yet big enough to make them look like a balloon. Coming out of the photos is kind of like my thought process through this. And I got out the collection, The Magical Forest, from Crate Paper. I truly love using all of Crate Paper's stuff. I have, obviously, it's like one of my go-tos for, definitely for my daughter for sure, because she is very, boho, very vintage. With a lot of what she does. So what I'm doing here is that to start out with, I obviously backed the cut files up with the paper from the 6x6 paper pad that I'm working out of, or the 6x8 I should say. And then I'm taking the scraps, a bunch of the scraps, and I'm trying to make sure that I use them all up so that I don't go into the 12x12s. The only 12x12 I use is my background paper. I have a feeling, like I've talked to you guys about this before, when it comes to American crafts. I have a feeling that Crate Paper is no longer going to be working for them. There's no announcement, at least not that I have seen. So I've been trying to, I don't like to hoard, and I don't hoard my layout, my collections or anything, but I do like to use them as much as I possibly can. And that's what I do. Now, I don't go gutting everything. I don't do that to my layouts to like try to make it go just that much further. It's not worth my time. But I do try to, if I've got a bunch of scraps, I use that instead. So I went down a rabbit hole on Stampin' Up. I needed a bunch of dimensionals because I ran out. And normally I order from Stampin' Up because you guys know that I'm a close to my heart maker. However, there are certain things that Stampin' Up makes that close to my heart just has not achieved yet. And you know what? That's okay. You can purchase from other things, right? So their dimensionals are spot on. They're 8.5 by 11 paper, what I use for white and black. So every time that you guys see me matte my photos, that's what paper I use, is the 8.5 by 11 paper from Stampin' Up. So I ran out of the white, or I'm getting close to running out, and I was down to like one pack for the black. And then I looked at the dimensionals, because you guys know that I use the mini dimensionals and the regular dimensionals, and so I ran out of all that. Well, this year, or at least in the catalog, because again, I don't order all that much from them, but I do order enough to where I get a catalog every time something comes out new. They now make square pieces. So like when you would get the dimensionals from them, that piece now is that thick, or like a solid piece. So I like using those when I travel. So I bought a bunch of those. But now I'm like, ooh, I need to put them out, because don't get me wrong, I do love the stuff, the craft foam that I get from Walmart or whatever, where it's got one side sticky and the other side you got to like use the glue. The one thing I like about the Stampin' Up ones is they are completely sticky on both sides. So I don't have to use my glue, like my ATG gun or my glue. So I'm going to try them out for my mixed medium and see if I can get away from using my Tombow when I'm using my mixed medium and I want something up. Plus it's a little bit thicker, not much, but a little bit thicker from the white or the fun foam that we get from Walmart. So, all in all, there's a little bit of benefits from it for everything. Well, I will tell you that I had to stop my film because when I was filming this, the great state of Georgia, where I live in Fort Gordon, we got snow, what they call snow. Now, I will say it's nothing like what, the North gets, or wherever you live that does get snow. It's nothing like that, but It is what they call snow here, and it's stuck long enough at night to where I could go out and get photos, and then it's stuck long enough in the morning as well so that I could get photos of KJ. So, and of Asher and stuff, because this was like their first snow, and who the heck knows if we're going to get it again. We don't know. You know, at this point, I'm not going to rule it out because, yeah, it is what it is. So, here I am. I am going through all of the stickers, and I'm just placing down all of the fun little stars and hearts. I like to mix my stars and hearts. I know a lot of people would rather prefer to use just stars or hearts, but I use both in all of mine, and I love it. And I'm just going through and making sure that I place everything down, and I've got everything that looks good, and just going through. Like I said, I don't have much of this left. Like, I ran out of, all the puffy stickers are gone. I'm down to just what you see here, and then in embellishments, along with the little stickers, but that's really it. So I'm just going through. So make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. She always has free stuff. I did dig a little bit deeper. This is from last year's birthday month, which is in March, for her. So we're coming up on her 3rd year of being open. Oh my gosh. And I know it's like what it feels like, because I, being part of Close to My Heart, and then even the YouTube family, I'm 5 years deep in for Close to My Heart, and 4 years deep, almost on my 5th year, going into having my YouTube channel. So that's, I get it. It takes a lot of work, and we absolutely love what we do. And, I wouldn't be part of the design team if this wasn't, something for her. So I'm just documenting a little bit about the photos. It's her best friend, Mia, and all of that. And then make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I am so close to my 3,000 subscribers giveaway, and I would love to be able to do it here shortly. It would be awesome. I'm so close. I am literally under 60. I'm under 60. I think I'm right at 60 now. Subscribers away. Like, how cool is that, right? So make sure you like and subscribe. Now I'm just going through the clear stickers that they have. That comes in like that packet. It'd be kind of almost like your planner style stickers. I will link everything down below as well for what I've used for Confessions. Make sure you go check out her group. That is where you're going to get the free cut files before it gets to the shop, and you have to pay for them. Also make sure that you do like and subscribe to my channel, as I know that she's got some things coming up on her shop, and you don't want to miss that. So you want to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you get the notifications each and every time that I do upload. Also, it just helps my channel. I know that I'm going to come in with some splatters from Shimmer's Paints, which is the Sunset Strip. Y'all know I love their stuff. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.